Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Simplified. And in today's video we are going to discuss about the CBSE recruitment exam 2024, which is a new post of assistant secretary. There are total 18 posts which are out for this exam. So this exam is on 11th of August. I'll be discussing the exam pattern and the notification in this video, and in the subsequent videos we will be preparing for this exam and will make a lecture series, so you can prepare with me if you're interested. So let's start the video. So the application date was in March and April, and the deadline was there. If you have filled the application form, this video is for you. Otherwise, you can skip the video. So the exam date is on 11th August. This is very similar to the UPSC exam. There are total 18 vacancies of this post, and there are three kinds of applications which are there, posts which are there, which I'll be explaining shortly. So all the things that I'll be explaining are as follows. Let's open the notification. So here is the notification. So this is what we were talking about. There are 18 posts. This is the post that I am preparing for, and I have also filled the application for this post. And there are other group B, group C and other posts which requires, and all these posts which require a specific qualification, which I'll be discussing. If you have filled the form, there are total 118 posts, then you should follow along with this video. This was the application date, and these two exams, these two posts, they required PG as a eligibility, and there were some MPhil requirements also, which are here they are written. So 35 years of age was the essential age for the administrative post, and it only required you to have a bachelor's degree from any recognized university institution. And the other assistant secretary posts are for postgraduates, B.Ed, NET, MPhil, MEd. All these things are required because obviously these are academic posts. And then there are skill education posts. They also require you to have a post-graduation degree. And then there are training posts. So this has been dropped, I think, because there were not enough applications in this category, so this exam will not be conducted this part of the vacancy. And there is post for accounts officer, which needed a bachelor's degree, or account compilation, budget, internal audit, all these kinds of essentials were there. Civil engineering, junior engineering engineers posts, then there is JTO's post was also there. So if you have filled all these applications, you should be preparing for this exam now. I'll be discussing the scheme of the examination. So first of all, there are going to be 150 questions in the tier 1 for 300 marks, and it's qualifying in nature. And let me tell you, since there are only 18 posts, there is the ratio of 1:10, which means that only 180 candidates will be selected in tier 2. So you can expect the cutoff to go to be on the higher end. So total marks are 300. You should aim to score as much as possible in this 150 minutes. Also, let me explain the distribution quickly. So this is the general awareness, which is also seen in all other types of exams. For instance, UPSC's GS1 paper, we see this general awareness type of questions, and in CAPF and other exams of UPSC also we prepare for this general awareness. Okay, then there is logical reasoning, this is quant, arithmetic ability, data interpretation, and this is language skills, English and Hindi. Its weightage is lesser than the rest. And then there is computer operation knowledge that is also required, and it has same weightage as general awareness. So you have to prepare it very diligently. Don't ignore this. You might get into the list just because of you have prepared this better than others. Okay, if you are lucky to be selected in one 80 candidates, then there will be a tier 2 examination in which only 90 candidates will be selected, and this is the distribution. It will be a 3-hour exam in which there will be 4 parts of the exam, and the marks distribution will be, the first part will have 160 marks, which is the 50% of the weightage is for part 1, and then the rest of the part are 80 marks and 40 and 40 marks. So the first part you have most of the GS1 and GS3 type of syllabus which we prepare. Additionally, growth of Indian education system and school board, this you have to prepare specifically. Expect one question from this topic specifically, because it has been specifically mentioned in the syllabus. So GS1 and GS3 syllabus, if you have prepared, you can prepare the same syllabus for the first part of the subjective test. And the second part, if you have a public administration optional, then I think theory part of it you must have prepared for this. If you don't have it, then you can take any material for administration, and you can find it online. I will also make it available as we prepare along, so no need to worry. I will provide this material to you in case you don't have access to or clarity over what to prepare and what not to prepare. Also, the Constitution of India, polity, governance, administrative law is one thing. So GS2 and GS4 type of syllabus, it holds less weightage, only 40 marks of weightage is there. And then there is the essay writing, which can be in Hindi or English, maybe according to your chosen language. They will ask you to choose a language, and then you will be writing it in Hindi or English. Then there will be an 80 marks interview, and based on this 320 plus 80, which is 400 marks, a merit list will be prepared and 18 selections will be made. Okay, so this was all about, and then there are all other formats and documentation which will also happen at this stage. So keep your documents ready. So this was it. I have explained the eligibility criteria, the selection process, and the application procedure has been already explained. It's not relevant. For more information, you can visit the official website, which is cbse.gov.in, and you can also download the official notification from the internet. Now, for this preparation, I think you should have the study material. First of all, you should manage your time. Take mock tests from test book. There's a test series available for the paper tier 1 part of the subject. Then there is a mock test series available. This is not a very high profile test, so you will not find many test series, but test book has this feature, and it's very cheap also, so you can get it from there if you're preparing for other exams also. And you should keep preparing writing, because there will not be much of a duration between the tier 1 and the tier 2 exam, and you will not be able to prepare writing entirely in that period. So keep preparing, and all the best, and stay tuned for more information on this topic. Thank you very much.